Let's talk about this tiny powerhouse of a superfood for a minute. Chia seeds is one of the richest sources of plant-based omega-3 fatty acid, especially alpha-linolenic acid. ALA. Alpha-linolenic acid is beneficial for heart and brain health. Chia seeds contains antioxidants like chlorogenic and quercetin. These are extremely important to our body because they protect our cells from oxidative damage and inflammation. In case it's not obvious yet, I'm a huge fan. Hi, chia seeds! Hello, wellness warriors. I am Funkside, your dedicated guide and companion towards a healthier, more vibrant you. It's been great to have you guys on this transformative experience with me, where I've been sharing actionable tips and insightful wisdom about health and wellness that has been enriching your life, I believe, and making your life more awesome. Welcome back, warriors. I'm not a huge fan of a lot of things in life or people. But when it comes to chia seeds, I am a creepy fan. Apart from the fact that chia seeds are real life superfoods, they are also gluten-free, and this makes them excellent even for those with dietary restrictions. I'm sorry guys, thank God I already came out clean that I'm a creepy fan, but why I fan up on chia seeds? Let's hurry up onto number 5, where we're going to learn all about the digestive health benefits of chia seeds. Number 5, the digestive health benefits of chia seeds. Chia seeds are rich in soluble fiber, which absorbs water and forms a gel-like substance in the digestive tract. This gel adds bulk to stool, making it easier to pass and prevent constipation. Serves as prebiotic, providing nourishment for beneficial gut bacteria. Chia seeds' anti-inflammatory properties provide relief for individuals with digestive conditions like Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. Chia seeds fiber acts like a gentle, natural detoxifier by binding to toxins and waste materials in the digestive tract, facilitating their elimination from the body. I'm making my chocolate chia pudding today, and that inspires me to come out here and talk all about the amazing benefits of chia seeds. For chia chocolate pudding, of course, we'll need chia seeds. We need milk of your choice. I would advise almond, tiger nuts, coconut. What's the other one I like? I like cashew nuts milk sometimes, but my favorites are almonds, coconut, and tiger nuts. Right here, this is almond milk. If you guys haven't seen my almond milk video where I show you guys all about the incredible benefits of almond milk, why we were making the almond milk, this is your sign. Please go check it out. So this is almond milk and chia seeds. Of course, this is raw organic cacao or cocoa powder, and this is raw organic dates. These are the ingredients. Oh, I almost forgot, vanilla extract. These are all the ingredients we're going to need for Chocolate-Chia pudding. This is some water in case I need extra water, just drinking water. All right guys, so I took the liberty to soak chia seeds in the almond milk. Like I said, I'm using almond milk today. You can use any milk of your choice. So I've soaked this, I think it's more than 2 hours now. You don't have to soak it for 2 hours. 30 to 45 minutes is perfectly okay. So now I know that my chia seeds, and I only, because it's just my drink, I only use 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. That's more than enough. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds with 1 cup of my almond milk. That's what it's in here. So I'm gonna pour this in the blender and pour the other ingredients. While I do that, while I prep this ready for the blender, let's hurry up on to number 4. Number 4. Chia seeds control blood sugar levels. The soluble fiber in chia seeds forms a gel-like substance when mixed with liquid. The gel slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates from our diet, helping to prevent rapid spikes and crashes. Some studies suggest that regular consumption of chia seeds may improve insulin sensitivity. This allows the body to utilize insulin more effectively to regulate blood sugar. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes. Chia seeds also contribute to a feeling of fullness and satiety, which reduce overeating and constant snacking. These then support better blood sugar control. Chia seeds regulate energy by stabilizing blood sugar levels, which then promote consistent energy throughout the day, preventing energy crashes and fatigue often associated with blood sugar fluctuations. Alright guys, since our chia seeds are ready to be blended, all we have to do is pour them into the blender and blend until smooth. Number 3. The heart health benefit of chia seeds. The omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds are healthy fats that help lower levels of low-density lipoprotein LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol. Chia seeds also promote higher levels of high-density lipoprotein HDL cholesterol, known as good cholesterol. HDL cholesterol helps remove excess LDL cholesterol from the bloodstream, reducing the risk of plaque buildup in the arteries. The omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds also help prevent excessive blood clotting, reducing the risk of thrombosis and stroke. Regular consumption of chia seeds improves endothelial function, which is the health of the cells lining the arteries. Healthy endothelial function supports proper blood flow and reduces the risk of atherosclerosis, hardening of the arteries. So, since we are making chocolate chia pudding and I want it to be a little sweet, I'm going to add some dates. I'll put the dates all on the bottom. If you've not watched my video about dates, please go check it out. Dates are incredible as well. I'm going to add some dates. The next thing I'm going to add is the raw cacao or raw cocoa powder. This is unfiltered, no GMO, nothing. Here's the deal. The real cacao or cocoa powder are usually bitter. They have a very bitter taste. No sugar, nothing. So the consistency of the chocolate taste you want is up to you. I don't mind the bitterness, especially knowing that I've added date as well as my almond milk has date inside. And then I'm going to add vanilla extract for essence, just for the flavor. So this is 1 teaspoon. I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons. I really want the chocolate taste. So, and you can always adjust it. So when I finish blending, if I taste it, if I don't get enough of the chocolatey flavor I want, all I have to do is add more chocolate. If I don't get the sweetness I want, all I have to do, add more dates. So it's very, very simple. So I'm going to pour this. Remember, this already has a cup of almond milk. So the first thing I'm going to try to do as far as the texture is concerned is add a little bit of water. I know that I call this a pudding, but if I'm being honest, my consistency is not so pudding like. It's a little, I don't want to say watery, but yeah, it's like that. So this is the consistency I like. So you do whatever you like, as long as these are all the natural real ingredients you're putting in. It's still all love and it's still very healthy. While I blend this until smooth, let's hurry up and check out number 2, where we are going to learn all about the bone health benefits of chia. Number 2, the bone health benefits of chia seeds. Chia seeds are rich in magnesium, which are crucial for maintaining bone density and strength. Magnesium regulates calcium levels in the body and support proper functions of bone cells. The minerals in chia seeds, like magnesium, helps with the absorption of other bone-boosting nutrients like vitamin D and K. These play vital roles in bone health. The bone-strengthening nutrients in chia seeds can help prevent conditions like osteoporosis, which can lead to fragile bones and increased risk of fractures. But guys, have you tried these amazing seeds? How do you use them? Leave a comment about your favorite chia seeds recipes. I'm gonna scan through so I can learn all about new recipes for them, because as you can tell, I love them. Our chocolate chia pudding is ready. Let's check it out. You see that? If you want a thicker consistency, you didn't have to add the little bit of water I added. But this is the consistency I like. So, like I said, making your own, it smells amazing and it is delicious. Smells amazing, it's delicious. So yes, I'm so excited to be making this with you guys. We have to be, making healthy stuff and just make our life better and more vibrant, right? This is awesome. Oh, as you guys can tell, our chia pudding is ready. Oh my God, so good, so good. If you guys know anything about me so far, you would know that I don't joke or play with bone health. Because bone health is not just a thing for me, it is my real life. Now that our chia pudding is ready, let's check out number 1 to learn all about the superfood status of chia seeds. Number 1, chia seeds are nutrient-dense superfood. Chia seeds are exceptionally high in dietary fiber, which aids in several bodily functions. The phosphorus content in chia seeds is vital for formation and maintenance of healthy bones and teeth. Chia seeds contain antioxidants such as quercetin and chlorogenic acid, which protect cells from oxidative damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Chia seeds also provide a moderate amount of vitamins K, C, and A. These vitamins contribute to various aspects of health, including immune function and blood clotting. Chia seeds also provide a plant-based source of beneficial fats that support cognitive function. Do you guys know that chia seeds can absorb 10 to 12 times their weight in water? This is why it is important to soak them before you prepare them or you consume them to avoid choking hazards. As an autoimmune warrior, I have to consistently support my joints, bones, ligaments, and entire body for the rest of my life in order to combat the side effects and unwanted episodes of rheumatoid arthritis. So, guys, chia seeds are the truth. All right, guys, so I have to send you guys out your way because I need to pop this in the freezer for about 5 minutes because I enjoy my pudding cold. You don't have to do that. This is awesome already. It's been nice knowing you, but you know what? Peace out right now. Okay, guys, I'm just kidding. It's been an amazing experience with you guys. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. I had an incredible time, and I'm sure you've learned one or two things. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel as I'll be coming back with more health and wellness videos to enrich your life. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed. Mwah.